The Jamaica Defence Force is now investigating the circumstances under which one of its aircraft made an emergency landing in Dunbeholden, St. Catherine. The aircraft went down in the area shortly after 2 this afternoon. More in this report from our reporter Dwayne Anderson, who was on the ground.
A major recovery operation in the farmlands of Dunbeholden in St. Catherine. We counted 5 heavy machinery, including trucks and tractors, that came into the area to help with the extraction of the aircraft. Drone footage captured by TVJ News showed work crews at the site of the downed aircraft. The helicopter appeared to be a white unit with red and green markers. The police say the incident involving the aircraft was a precautionary landing. Superintendent Steve Brown of the JCF was among the first responders early on the scene. I spoke with him. Anybody was injured?
Not to my knowledge, but just an incident of JDF helicopter.
Describe the scene for us. What do you see?
The scene is the helicopter is on the ground. That's all I can describe.
A farmer told our news team that the helicopter went down close to his property.
No, I didn't see it when it come down, you know. I just came and see like the tail up in the air, the white part of the tail of the helicopter up in the air. So I don't really see when it come down.
Describe what you're seeing around here. Like, it's like people injured, they're trying to rescue anybody.
No, I didn't see anybody.
We see a white helicopter land, and it lift up, go back down below inside, then it come back this side, then we really look at explosion.
The condition of the crew aboard is still unknown. In the meantime, another military helicopter provided aerial support for the operation. JDF soldiers on the ground have since taken control of the scene and treated the space as a highly sensitive area. Now, if the incident involving the helicopter wasn't dramatic enough, a short while ago, a team of us, members of the media, including Television Jamaica, we were here doing our work, and 2 members of the Jamaica Defence Force came over and ordered us to hand over our cell phones, our microphone, our cameras, and take down our drone. Now, we asked them what was happening and then demanded that we speak with somebody in authority. They then quickly retreated and went back to their base. Now, of course, let me tell you that we were ordered to stay about 300 meters away from where they've established as the, let's say, a quarantine zone or the no-go zone, and that's where we are. So we were quite befuddled about what transpired after that. Reporting for TVJ News, I'm Dwayne Anderson.